When this is done, it looks like it must have been hard to do, and it's so easy. We're gonna use the tape to mask off some trees. In some spots, I doubled up the tape and I made branches. I also tore the tape in half to make thinner pieces. If they resemble trees, you did it right. Now we can just paint over the top of it. Don't have to worry about the trunks. Watercolor paints. Start with clean water on the top half of the paper. Make it look kind of splotchy with some white space showing. That's gonna look like the light coming through the trees. Now you just pick some fall colors. When I painted these trees last year, people came in the comments telling me birch trees don't make these colors. And you know what? I do not care. It's my painting. While this part dries a little bit, I'm gonna put some green down at the bottom. I also did some blue in between the green and the bottoms of the leaves, but I forgot to film, sorry. Then I went back to my fall colors, which I picked simply because I like them and not because it is scientifically correct, and I did some splatter, and I also added some more green at the bottom. Once that was dry, I took the tape off, and magic! Made up tree trunks. Make a big puddle of black or really dark blue. Old gift card. We're just gonna touch it along the edge of the trunk. The card is gonna make random lines. You are not in control of this, so don't even try. Just go with it. It's gonna look great. And don't ever let anybody tell you that your art is wrong. There is no wrong art. You get to make it how you want. That's the beauty of it. It looks super fancy, and it's really not. You can do it.